Tweet this. Mastering Twitter-specific English idioms. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of social media language, specifically focusing on idiomatic expressions you might encounter on Twitter. Understanding these idioms will not only make you feel more confident while scrolling through your feed, but will also enrich your English vocabulary. Let's get started. Twitter-specific idioms are phrases, terms, or expressions that have specific meanings within the context of Twitter. They are part of the platform's unique language, shaped by its character limit, trending topics, hashtags, and the user behavior. Examples of these idioms include phrases like trending, hashtag activism, throwing shade, and retweet. Let's explore some of the most commonly used idioms on Twitter. 1. Trending. This term refers to the most talked about topics and hashtags on the platform. For example, the new season of the show is trending on Twitter. 2. Hashtag activism. This term refers to the use of hashtags for promoting social and political causes. An example is, the hashtag climate change movement is a perfect example of hashtag activism. 3. Throwing shade. This idiom refers to subtly expressing disapproval or contempt. For example, did you see that tweet? She was definitely throwing shade. 4. Retweet. It literally means to share someone else's tweet, but idiomatically it can also signify agreement. For instance, I retweet that sentiment, meaning, I agree with that sentiment. While these idioms originated on Twitter, they have been widely adopted in everyday conversation, especially among the younger generation. Using these idioms outside of Twitter can make your English sound more contemporary and relatable. Here are a few examples. 1. That movie is trending among my friends. 2. She's been throwing shade at me all day. And that wraps up our exploration of Twitter-specific idioms. Now you're equipped to understand and use these phrases both on and off the Twitter platform. Remember, language is always evolving, and staying in tune with these changes can make your English more dynamic and relevant. So, keep exploring and happy tweeting.